How to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Hey Siri on your iPhone. I'll also show you what to do if Siri isn't responding. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Under the Siri Requests section, tap Talk and type to Siri. You'll now see three options: Siri and Hey Siri, Siri Only, and Hey Siri Only. Choose the option that works best for you. If one of these options is already enabled but Siri isn't working, switch it to Off, then select your preferred option again to refresh the setup. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to train Siri to recognize your voice. You'll be asked to say a few example phrases such as, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?" "Siri, send a message." "Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes." Or "Siri, play some music." Once the setup is complete, tap Done. Your iPhone will now respond whenever you say "Hey Siri" or "Siri," depending on the option you selected. You can also activate Siri with the side button. Go back to the Siri settings and turn on Press Side button for Siri. Then, press and hold the side button whenever you want to talk to Siri. If you prefer typing instead of speaking, enable Type to Siri in the same settings. After that, you can open the Type to Siri interface by tapping the bottom of your screen and enter your request using the keyboard. And that's it. That's how you can enable and use Hey Siri on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.